Good morning, America. It is 6:50 a.m. I'm going to Comic-Con. I gotta drive 2.5 hours down to San Diego, like right now, from LA. So I'm not thrilled about that drive, but hopefully I can beat all the stupid freaking traffic. I am cosplaying today. I've never done before. It's technically my third Comic-Con, but I was a little kid the last trip in. I was invited to go this year, so I thought I might as well vlog it and see what happens. So I'll see you down there at some point with my outfit and vibes. So let's get the show on the damn road. It's like 5 minutes in, I stopped at a gas station. I still got, I got at least 2.5 hours to drive down there. Goal.
Here we go again.
End up there by 9:30. Maybe grab some breakfast, get some work done, because I still got work to do. And then by 11, all that should be done and ready to go. And then my friend Mai, who invited me to Comic-Con, will meet me at the mall. And from the mall, we will be taking the trolley. I got my special concoction of the morning.
Wacky slash.
Told you I'd get revenge.
Big boobs. What?
All right, team. We made it. All right, team. We made it to the mall, and I'm gonna get some work done and wait for mine to get to here. I don't know, 11-ish. It is currently 9:30, but besides the point, I've got some time here. I wanted to create like a, maybe not like a necessarily a tier list, but like
Thinking. 1, 2, 3.
common, rare things that I will see at Comic-Con. Like people are dressed up, influencers, random shit. So common tier, I guess. Common, I will be seeing Spider-Man. I'll be seeing Batman. I'll probably be seeing Superman. And probably a character from like Valorant or Overwatch or some of those like streamer games that I really have no idea what they're about. Or I've ever really played them, but like definitely shit like that. Definitely obviously superheroes. I'll be seeing a lot of those. Also common Star Wars characters, because I think Star Wars is going to be there. Labubus and those like unboxing stuff. I feel like those will be very common. I'll be seeing a lot of those at the booths and stuff. Uncommon Nintendo characters. I am also going to be dressed up as a Nintendo character. Woo! Persona 5 characters. I love Persona 5. I feel like that'd be kind of uncommon. Godzilla. Will Godzilla be there? Will like what are they called? Kaijus? Will they be there? Fantastic Four characters, or maybe common. Put them in between. I saw the movie last night. Pretty good. I feel like they got something. Marvel has something going on with that. Rare. Something that'll blow my mind.
Wow.
To be honest, rare. Something that'll blow my mind. Anything Pokemon. I feel like that'd be kind of rare for me. Maybe rare. Honestly, I don't know. Ultra rare. Kit and Krista. I feel like they would be really cool to see. I think they're humming. I was watching their podcast the other day. George Lucas, I heard he's gonna be there. A celebrity or influencer that I know, obviously. But let's see how far we can get with that. Someone dressed up as what I'm dressing up as. Let's see. I think that's honestly really bad tier list or whatever. I'm gonna go to the mall, get some work done, wait for and then get this stuff going. Cause I feel like we got a full day ahead of us. So let's go. Say hi, Mai.
Hi.
She's Dixie Kong. I'm Funky Kong. Let's go. All right, we made it to the convention center. We're going in. Nothing crazy yet. Wait, scanning our passes. Let's go. We made it in. Pretty busy already. It's only 12.
1 minute in.
1 minute in. 1 minute in. We're looking for a Pokemon. So let's see if we can find it. There's a creeper. Oh man. Pokemon booth. It's too long. We're gonna try to come back later. But in the meantime, I've seen a lot of Spider-Man. Very common.
15.
Very common. There's even one more up there. It's the Fantastic 2.
It's actually 3.
3?
1.
I don't know. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Spider-Man.
What do we have here?
There's some
Mama, a girl behind
something over there. I don't know what it is though.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic 4.
4. Chicken jockey. We have the whole booth. We have the whole convention center right here. We're like we're probably in there, and we also got chicken jockey. Shut up! And this freak. I know He-Man. I don't know anything else about this place.
You must hold the sword.
This is really big content.
All right, yeah.
Really
Very short. Yeah.
Yeah, very.
Oh, blood. You're in the
Bleeding.
Squid Game now.
Bleeding. I'm in the Squid Game. We got some fresh content here. It's the Abomination from the Rebirth movie. Haven't seen it yet. I will at some point. Yo, Galactus has entered the chat. Galactus has entered the chat. Oh, he's gone. Holy cow. The 3 brothers right here. Talked it. Godzilla is also here. And of course, the tiger.
And that's all our time. Thanks for coming around the Infinity Castle.
Disney Plus booth. Got Dr. Doofenshmirtz up there. Let's go. We got the Doof. Rare Sneak, Rare Dub. She's the voice actress of Ash, I think. All right, we're back outside. We did a full run through. You want to come back to Pokemon?
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast?
Paramount.
Paramount, maybe?
To win prizes.
Maybe Nickelodeon. Maybe Pop Mart and Marvel. We're gonna try to come back later. The lines were at capped, which who would want to wait in a line like that? But we saw some A-list celebrities, S-tier celebrities. Hello, Spider-Man, as predicted. We saw Godzilla. That was on my list. We did see Squid Game. Did not film Squid Game. We did see a Squid Game.
Some Minecraft.
We saw Minecraft. We saw Minecraft Creepa.
Saw Chicken Jockey.
And Chicken Jockey. Another celebrity spotting right here. Yeah, Mr. Beast directing traffic into the Marriott. Now we're just perusing. We're gonna check out the Pac-Man Cafe. Hopefully there's not gonna be a line, but we know damn well there's gonna be a line.
But we're gonna check out content right there.
Yeah, we're gonna check out the content. There's some content up ahead. If it's worth it, we'll film it. If it's not, you won't see it. You'll see us at the Pac-Man Cafe.
Whoa. Who's this? Sweet Tooth. Sweet Tooth in line.
We got a Joker sneak. Called it. We got Luigi, Daisy, and Mario sneak.
Alright. 1, 2.
Alright, successful time at Twisted Metal.
Got ice cream.
We got ice cream.
Free ice cream.
Free ice cream, mind
And
you.
photos.
And photos. But now we're gonna go look for some more
Pac-Man.
activities. Pac-Man Cafe. Whoa, Mario Kart World Train. That's so awesome. Nintendo Switch 2.
We're gonna main and bat and B.
Facts. I'm already the Batman. Here's some of that. Here's your flip. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, all right, whatever. All right, update.
Pac-Man Cafe.
We're at the Pac-Man Cafe. Hoping to get some grub,
Some sweet treats.
some sweet treats, in addition to the 2 ice creams we've already had. Hopefully there's some good finds here. We'll report back, like always. Pac-Man car, Pac-Man car. Wow, crazy. We finally got our food,
Content and chopsticks.
and we got free chopsticks.
Got free chopsticks.
Let's do a food reveal. Yeah, we got some Maruchan noodles, and this thing is crazy looking. Yo! Quesadilla pizza. First bite. First bite.
Oh no!
All right. Finish our grub.
He feels better now.
Feel a little better. Still a little thirsty, so we're gonna grab some water. But we're gonna go back into the trenches. Aiming for Pokemon. Trying to get in a line this time. Hopefully it's not too bad. Praying for the best. Wish us luck. All right, we're in line for the Pokemon experience, the Mega Evolution
Oh, we get a Pokemon
experience.
hat. We get Pikachu.
We made it in, we're at the front of the line. And now I gotta pick which Mega Pokemon I want. I was picking their Mega Evolution experience. Pokemon. Maya's
Okay, we're
picking
at
one
the
of...
evolution. What do I pick?
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
see. I think. Okay. I'll
So they're
pick.
gonna start with Mega Altaria.
Yes, I get to pick my piece.
Get to-
now. And what is it gonna be?
Oh,
Oh wait.
oh, oh. There it is. Hey. What is it? Oh, and your name.
I got
Solid,
that.
solid.
All right, let's okay.
All right, my turn.
4,000.
All
Okay.
right.
And what do you got? Let's see. Let's see. Whoa! Are you ready for your key card?
Let's go. Oh,
Let's get your key card.
Thank you.
Ready.
There you go. He's ready. You're loaded. You're loaded.
Now we gotta find the constellation.
I'm gonna get a
There's mice.
What do we get? We both got Mega Observer.
Mega observers.
Wow.
Bet. Okay. This is. There we go. Oh. Hey yo. Womp womp.
Complete.
Hey, yo,
Look at that.
we
Okay,
did
wait.
it.
Yay.
Oh yeah.
Little guy.
Just a little guy.
Little guy here. Ready?
Yeah, take it.
Three, two,
I got it,
one.
I got it, I got it.
3, 2, 1. This is the king himself. We're gonna take your identity.
Waiting. And now we're done. We got a poster and stuff. Let's go. All right. We found extra Emily and Emeru.
And he thought
And
she was dressed up as a...
I kind of fumbled, really heavy. Here's the Twitch clip because we have it. Genshin Impact?
Oh, Marvel
I'm a
Ride!
big fan. I'm a big fan.
Oh my god, Genshin Impact!
No, I don't even play Genshin Impact. It's the thing.
Oh my god,
don't.
it was
Marvel
cool.
Rivals though.
Oh my god, you're so funny. Oh.
Here's a photo.
Yes, let's do it. Okay, wait,
Let me do it.
wait. Are we taking something?
I guess so. Thank you guys so much. Have a good rest of your day. This is the best. That was insane. I really just embarrassed myself in front of 40,000 people, but it's fine, it's okay. We're here for the bit.
You're gonna see me dying in the background.
Let's just hope chat doesn't roast me. And thanks. All right, we're back outside. After that exhilarating moment, we call it a day. We are gonna head back to the trolley and
Get matcha.
get some matcha at the mall before we say goodbye. And I go up to Carlsbad. So see you on the trolley. Alrighty. Here I am filming again. I just got off the trolley. Before we depart ways, you know, we gotta do our regular.
Gotta get our boba.
Go do our ritual. We gotta get our boba from Ding Tea. So
I think that's what it is. I don't
we
come
think
here often.
we think it's Ding
We
Tea.
don't come here often.
Yeah, we don't come here very often.
From
So
LA now.
yeah, we're from LA. Our alma mater was down here in San Diego, but we don't talk about that. So let's see what I get. Let's see what we get. Alrighty.
Got boba.
First sip. That's some good boba. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you watched all the way through, I'm just doing these for fun. I normally say like and subscribe and check the video over here or check the link down below, but I'm just doing this for fun. So who knows if there's a sequel? Maybe if this does well, maybe I'll go on extra Emily or Emeru's Twitch streams. Who knows? Thank you, Mai, for inviting me. great time.
Yes.
Alright, thanks for watching. That's all I got. See ya. Bye.